YouTube, what up, though? Blinks go bang. We're going to run it back with another quick video. No time wasting, straight to the point. If you rock with the channel, you already know I am a convicted felon with full gun rights restored. I got all that stuff all over the channel if that's something that you need, where I wrote a book to show guys how to restore their gun rights step by step. I went inside a gun store and purchased the gun as a felon. That's on the channel. Look through the channel if that's something you need. If you rock with the channel, you also know I applied for an expungement and I was denied. Moving on, don't stop nothing. Also, if you rock, I applied for the pardon while we're here today and I got the results in. So simple looking letter. I hadn't opened it. I said I'm gonna bring it to the channel. I've been excited to see these results. I ain't even gonna lie to you. If the results are not in my favor, I'm shaking up the peace sign and I'm getting up out of here. It's gonna be like a 1-minute video, and then I'll double back to stay committed and still tell people help with the pitfalls if they're trying to get a pardon. I ain't gonna abandon it like that just because I ain't get it. I ain't no hater, but I probably will be a little depressed about it. But anyway, if they are in my favor and I do receive a pardon, we're gonna talk about it. We're gonna talk about what it means for me and what it would mean for you. We'll go through some of the legalities of it, but we're not gonna keep you long today. We're just gonna unbox this and I'm gonna let Miss Go Bang open it. And we're going to go from there. We're going to get straight to it. We ain't about to play around. I just covered up. It's a simple looking letter though, man. Sealed. We're going to see what's up. So Miss Bang, you can...
Okay. I have a question for you real quick before I open this.
Okay.
Okay. Realistically, what does this change for you if you don't get it?
I'm going to be honest. It might be something else that I'll answer after we open it, but I'm going to be honest. I started this journey because I wanted the gun. I didn't want to be on the internet. I didn't want to do none of this. You told me to make a video and show. So I got the gun already. Mm-hmm. I got the 6-figure career already.
Right.
I got everything I need already. I just wanted the monkey off my back. So let's get to it.
Okay. All right. I'm going to open this carefully because you like to rip stuff open. I like to do things.
That going in the trash.
I like to open things up meticulously. So. Okay. Yeah, so I want everybody to know that we prayed over this when we received it.
Yeah, we did.
We prayed over it when we put the original packet in the mail.
Damn, I'm sweating.
Okay, here we go.
You can read it too.
Okay, I'm gonna read it. Grant of executive clemency. I, Gretchen Whitmer, Governor of State of Michigan, state the following. Blinks Go Bang was convicted in the Third Circuit Court on the charge of robbery armed. On December 16, 1991, Blinks Go Bang was sentenced to 1 year, 2 months minimum to 5 years maximum. Blinks Go Bang was submitted an application for executive clemency. The Michigan Parole Board under MCL 791.244 has recommended I pardon Blinks Go Bang's conviction. After a careful review of all the materials presented to me in acting under Section 14 of Article 5 of the Michigan Constitution of 1963, I pardon the conviction of Blinks Go Bang.
Crazy.
You must conform your records to this pardon. Given under, sorry, I'm getting emotional.
You look like you about to cry.
I am. This was tough.
Okay. I appreciate your help too.
Okay, I'm done.
Hold on. You want to pause the video?
Okay. Given under my hand in the Great Seal of the State of Michigan, Gretchen Whitmer, Governor. By the Governor, Jacqueline Benson, Secretary of State. Congratulations.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that's crazy. I didn't think about how I'm going to feel on camera. Like, I usually try to bring people information. My mind kind of right now like a slot machine. It won't land on 7. So, but I got to remember I'm on the camera and I'm bringing this to the internet. So, I guess I can't even rejoice in front of these people. I'm so stiff. I'm gonna do that off camera, I guess. But